Now let's switch gears. Let's talk weather headlines with meteorologist Catherine Maxwell. And Catherine, as folks are stepping out, what should they dress like today because of weather?
It's not a bad idea, Jill. Have the umbrella on standby. You know, this morning temperatures are pretty mild, sitting into the 50s. We will warm up today into the 60s and the lower 70s. So going to actually be a little bit warmer than average, a tiny bit warmer than yesterday. We'll still hold on to the cloud cover, and a few spotty showers are possible for us, especially into the afternoon and this evening. Now, rain chances will really increase, especially as we head into the overnight hours, all because of what is now Hurricane Zeta. So looking at radar right now, we're not looking at too much. We do have some patchy fog out there for us this morning. The cloudy skies will remain. Zeta is back to a hurricane. Right now it is a Category 1 hurricane. Winds are at 85 miles per hour. It is possible it could strengthen to a Category 2 actually before it makes landfall anywhere from eastern Louisiana coastline into Alabama. So that's something that we are continuing to keep a close eye on, especially after it makes landfall. It's going to head into the general direction of our viewing area. So we'll start to see the main impacts of Zeta as early as the overnight hours tonight, all day Thursday, and a few showers will still linger on Friday. What main impacts will we see from Zeta? Well, number one will be heavy downpours. So flooding doesn't look to be out of the question for us, especially throughout the day tomorrow. Strong winds is also something we're continuing to look at. Doesn't look like we'll see damaging winds, but winds will be pretty gusty. Not a bad idea. Secure those outdoor Halloween decorations tonight. And then cooler air, that's something that's going to be back behind the system. We'll notice those temperatures on the 10-day will drop on Friday. So we are under an excessive rainfall outlook for today. Now this is mainly looking at the overnight hours tonight as a few heavy downpours are possible to come through. Much of the widespread heavy downpour action will be tomorrow. So much of the viewing area is under a slight risk for excessive rainfall. So a flood risk is there for us tonight and throughout Thursday. Looks like throughout the totality of Zeta's event with us, we'll see rainfall rates at about 1 to 3 inches. We have increased that up to 3 inches. Most of the area with models today looking to range pretty close to that 2-inch mark. So if you live near poor drainage areas, rivers, creeks, or streams, you do want to be prepared for this system that will come through. Winds gusts look to be about 25 miles per hour in general. Some areas could see a little bit higher than that. I do think our southern counties will see the breeziest conditions because of Zeta's track. It looks to be just a little bit down to our south. We're not really tracking the threat of severe weather though, so that's some good news. Shouldn't see a severe thunderstorm. That looks more down to our southeast, but we will be dealing with those gusty winds and that flood potential. So let's track out our day today. We'll backtrack just a little bit. We have a few showers that are possible for us even throughout the morning, the afternoon. Mainly this evening is whenever we'll see most of the rain come through. Overnight, all day tomorrow, expect these isolated heavy downpours. Much of the day tomorrow is going to be a soaking rain, so keep that in mind. Definitely need to have the rain gear tomorrow. By the evening, we will notice showers become more scattered and lighter in nature. By Friday, we are going to have cooler air in place, but we should see cool high pressure building on Saturday. So we'll have drier conditions for Halloween, but it will be chilly. So hopefully your Halloween costume is warm. Temperatures look to dip down into the 30s and the 20s Friday night. Widespread frost is expected for a Saturday morning. Now Sunday, this is looking a little bit far, but there is an opportunity we could see some flurries on Sunday for the highest elevations and even possible into Monday. But that's something we'll fine tune in the next upcoming days.